These gloves keep the astronauts' hands warm. They help astronauts pick up things in space. There's also a special heater for the astronauts' fingers. The propulsion system makes up most of the rocket. This system uses two powerful chemicals, oxidizer and fuel. Oxidizer is an explosive chemical, which can also be found in fireworks. Next, we have Mars. Because of its reddish color, Mars is often known as the red planet. Mars has large dust storms that are sometimes big enough to cover the entire planet. Scientists believe there was once water and life here about 3.7 billion years ago.